Duncombe Sawmill has been in Helmsley, North Yorkshire since the 19th century. What makes us stand out? The quality of our customer service, our craftsmanship, and the fact that we still make our gates and fencing the traditional way, processing the timber on site from start to finish. Using our laser-guided saw, the logs are cut in our mill to make gates, fencing, and bespoke orders. For our gates, the logs are cut into thick planks, left to dry, and then made into gate components. The boards for our larch-lac panels are also cut and pressure-treated on site. We make our sturdy panels in a variety of different styles and to any dimensions, so that they can fit that odd corner in the garden. We are so confident with their quality that they even come with a guarantee. In our joinery shop, our gates are put together by hand using traditional techniques. As you can see, our products are not mass-produced, which enables us to make our gates to any size to fit any opening. And because we cut and prepare all the timber ourselves, we're able to be very selective about the quality of the wood we use in each of our gates. All our saw logs come from woodland within a 25-mile radius of the sawmill, and as we are an FSC mill, all of the timber is from sustainable sources. We use mainly larch, cedar, spruce and oak. We manufacture and retail a vast range of timber products, from oak frame buildings to log stores, planters to pergolas and duck houses to donkey shelters, and we deliver throughout the UK and Europe. If you would like more information, please contact us so you can find out why we're not run-of-the-mill.